Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Kapil Dev. Number 1. Kapil Dev is a former Indian cricketer. Number 2. He was born on January 6, 1959 in Chandigarh, India. Number 3. He was an all-rounder cricketer. Number 4. Kapil Dev is also known as the Haryana Hurricane. Number 5. Kapil Dev made his Test debut for India in 1978. Number 6. He was known for his aggressive and fearless style of play. Number 7. He retired from international cricket in 1984. Number 8. He is best known for leading India to its first Cricket World Cup victory in 1983. Number 9. His impact on Indian cricket is widely acknowledged. Number 10. He is a role model for many aspiring cricketers. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.